Hey guys, today we're talking about minimizing the visual impact of your downspouts. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes, the host of The Art of Renovation. So I want to show you kind of a common conundrum that we have in exterior renovations, and that is placement of your downspout. We all need to drain water off of our roofs, and too often you end up with a downspout in a high profile location. It becomes an eyesore. I want to show you a creative way that we dealt with that on this particular project. And I'll talk about some of the options that we had during design. So as you can see here, what we've done is we've run the downspout in the matching color of the siding down to a custom-made water collection tank, I suppose, and it can be used to collect water to water plants. It can be used as kind of a self-watering planter. But what it's done ultimately is remove the need to run the downspout across the front of the home to drain to the side yard. So it's a creative way to solve this problem. Creates a nice new little feature for them to be able to have water collection. And overall it looks pretty slick. So the other options we had were to run the downspout across the front of the home, which again would be quite an eyesore. The other option was to break up some concrete and run a French drain to drain out to the street, but that would incur a significant cost for concrete replacement and removal. The other option was to run drainage down one of these front posts, but then we created a slipping hazard in the, when the water would freeze in the winter and whatnot. So this became ultimately the best solution for the client, something to consider when planning your downspout locations and your exterior design of your home renovation. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes. Have a great day.